for giving me this opportunity to speak. Today, I would like to share my opinion about smoking in a campus area. In my opinion, smoking should not be allowed on campus. The campus is a place to study, to learning, and to develop good habits. Smoking can harm not only the person who smokes but also other people around them. Talk secondhand smoke. It makes the air dirty and unhealthy. Moreover, smoking gives a bad example to another study and equate people. We should care about our health and the environment. If we want to have a clean and comfortable campus, we must keep smoke free. Therefore, and strongly believe that our campus should have a strict rule against smoking. Let's work together to make our campus a healthy and smoke-free place for everyone. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Hello everyone, my name is Anandra Zara Nur Fadila. My name 1725030. Class 17 1A 11. Today I will discuss material about simple present tense. And then purpose and objective. Do you still remember that tenses are changed in the form of verbs that are used to indicate the time and even the situation occurs? On today's occasion, please let me introduce you to my assigned English material simple present tense. We are gonna learn about its definition, formula, example of sentences, and there will be questions at the end to review today material about simple present tense. Definition. So what is the definition of simple present tense? Simple present tense is a form of tenses that is used to express events that occur regularly, routinely, or are usually carried out in the present. The word present in itself refers to what happens at the moment. The word simple refers to straightforward activities and tenses refer to verbs that correspond to the specific time. When is simple present tense used? The present tense is used when someone wants to express an event or general fact that is happening right now. Furthermore, the simple present tense is also used in conditional sentences type 0 and 1 followed by the simple future tense. Before digging deeper is based on the structure of sentences. So we can say a sentence consists of the following the three elements. One, C subject, by predicate, and C complement. How we are only two are required the subject and then predicate. And then characteristic of simple present tense. One, uses verb in their basic form infinitive or familiar irregular verb. Two, using auxiliary verb, namely do or does for verbal sentences in negative and interrogative form. And then last, in the present tense, there are usually adverbs of time such as always, usually, often, rarely, never, every day, or week, or month, or year. Function and usage of simple present tense. One, stating a truth or fact, two, expressing emotion or feeling, three, explaining the routine or event in your future. Example on each point explaining the usage in simple present tense. One example of routine sentences using simple present tense. And I read my book every morning. My mother goes to market every day. And then two example of fact or absolute sentences using simple present tense. The sunrise at the east, bird lays eggs, and then last expressing emotion or feeling using simple present tense. I love winter. He needs to climb down. Simple present tense formula. Tenses can be verbal or nominal. Therefore, the predicate is always a verb. In verbal sentences, the subject is followed by a verb. Meanwhile, in nominal sentences, the subject is followed by a noun-verb, commonly known as an auxiliary verb or to be. What is the formula of the simple present tense? In general, the formula for the simple present tense subject plus verb 1 C or S plus complement for positive sentences with a verbal counter. If the pointer is nominal, the formula for the present tense is subject plus auxiliary verb to be plus complement. And then here are the simple present tense formula you can use for nominal sentence. Positive subject plus to be plus complement. Negative subject plus to be plus not plus complement. And then interrogative to be plus subject plus complement. Example, positive, I am an astronaut. Negative, he is not an astronaut. And then interrogative, is she an astronaut? Here are the simple present tense formula you can use for verbal sentences. Positive, subject plus verb 1 plus C or S plus complement. Negative, subject plus do or does not plus verb 1 plus complement. And then interrogative, do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus complement. Example, positive, she played the guitar. Negative, she does play the guitar. And then interrogative, does she play the guitar? Positive simple present tense. Example of positive simple present tense sentences. 1. I live in Bandung. 2. She goes to school by bike. And then 3. That was the TV at night. 4. My mother works in an office. 5. He is a chef. 6. I study English every day. 7. My sister is a doctor. 8. Is live in the same Blackboard Heart. 9. Kevin has a girlfriend. And then last they live is a small villa. Negative simple present tense. Example of negative simple present tense sentences. 1. She does go to primary school. 2. I like does study at night. 3. My father does work on Sunday. 4. My mother does like jellyfish. And I don't eat lunch in the afternoon. 6. You don't like coffee. 7. My brother does have a job at moment. 8. Is that rain much in the summer? 9. She does have a boyfriend. And then last, they don't like spicy food. Interrogative simple present tense. Example of interrogative simple present tense. 1. Do we have class today? 2. Does he like chocolate? 3. Does he work as a frame factor? 4. Does father play football? And 5. Do I look exhausted? 6. Do they live near the beach? 7. Does it rain a lot in January? And 8. Do you visit your grandparents often? 9. Does he drive to work? And last, does Anandika like Korean drama? Here are adverbs of time in simple present tense. The time adverb we'll discuss here are also known adverbs of frequency. The word are always present in every simple present tense sentences. It's not mandatory. However, the sentences that use the time word below aren't Definitely in the simple present tense. Here are the list. One always, two seldom, rarely, three often, four sometimes, five never, six every day, seven every week, eight hardly never, nine one a month, 10 four times a day, 11 four times a month, and 12 every month. Common mistake in simple present mistake one forgetting the negative s or negative s with third person singular incorrect. He worked at the office every week. Correct. He worked at the office every week. Explanation in the third person he, she, it must verb required and negative s or negative s. Ending in the present simple mistake. 2. Incorrect use with adverb or frequently. Incorrect in always am late for the bus. Correct I am always late for the bus. Explanation adverb or frequency always, usually, never, ever. Before the main verb except for the verb to be where they go after. Difference between simple present or versus simple present continuous. The main difference lies in the time and nature of event. The simple present is used for habits, routine, general fact, and schedule. Well, the present continuous is used for action that are currently taking place, temporarily, situation, or definite future plans. Different simple present tense and simple present continuous. Simple present tense S plus verb and then simple present continuous S plus M is are not plus verb in. Express general truth. Simple present continuous describe action happening now. Simple present tense indicate present habit and then simple present continuous express annoying habits plus always express timetable event and then simple continuous describe future argument informant and last indicate permanent stage and then last present continuous express temporary stage. Example song that has simple song title You Are My Sunshine from Christina Perri. And then you are my sunshine using an anomaly intensive pattern. You is the subject, then are is the auxiliary verb to be, and then my sunshine is the subject. Beside this lyric, there also a verbal intensive partner, namely you are make me happy. Why make and not makes? Because you in singular subject, second person singular pronoun. And then song has the simple song title Just a Friend to You by Meghan Trainor. In the first line, why is it break it straight or break? Yes, the verb is that verb one must be added with s or s if the subject is in third person. Example question number one. My father a teacher. Answer A is number two you play basketball after class. A do. And last, number three, they spicy food. Answer C, done. Conclusion. Simple present tense is a form of sentence pattern that is present in our daily life when we talk to our parents, we are playing with friends, we were explaining something to a teacher. The simple present tense is always used that why knowing the proper using of it is fairly important and must be acknowledged by everyone. That's all my presentation. More or less, I apologize. Thank you. Bye bye.